Hey everybody, Chris here from 45 Productions. Got the first update on the big rig truck build. We're doing the K100 by Revell, Germany, and the Mobius reefer trailer. Only got a quick little video here on the truck. The only thing we've had time to do to it right now is just get the frame lengthened out. Don't even remember exactly how long I lengthened it, but just gotta get it mocked up here. Get the body work and all that done. I do most of my cuts at a 45. Some people do straight cuts. I do 45. I just think it's stronger. We do double frame it like they do on the real trucks. I just take rectangular tubing and that fits inside, then cut it down, cross members. Only other thing I've done is add the second air intake tube. We are going to cut them down. We're not going to leave them that long. That's for the Aerodyne cab, but we're going to take probably ½ inch out maybe. I haven't made my mind yet. Just kind of get it mocked up to see how I feel about it. Make sure the cab kind of sits where it should. Not too bad. Got a little tweaking to do yet here and there in spots, but time we get down with her, she'll be sitting where she needs to. The wheels and tires are from the kit. We will not be using them. We are going to use the ones from the Mobius set, so it'll match the trailer. The exhaust, we'll do something different with the exhaust as well. Won't be using the kit ones. No clue on the color yet. What we're going with on paint scheme. Keep changing my mind every time I pick a color. I keep changing my mind. So who knows what color it's going to be. But that's about all we got for now. Appreciate all my subscribers. Trying to keep up and watch all the other videos for the other truck builds. Kind of crazy. There's 90-some people involved in it. But hopefully everybody will have fun doing it. And we will talk to you later. Bye.